Mastering the content creation. How to engage and grow your audience. Let's talk about something that a lot of people don't quite get, okay, when it comes to creating content on social media. All right? All the platforms, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, they all work the same way. They're looking for people who push good content that keeps viewers engaged and on their platform. So stop trying to hack the algorithm or game the SEO or rely solely on viral music trends. Instead, let's focus on how to put great content together, something that would be really valuable for your audience. So, let me give you some tips on how to do this right. Are you ready? Okay. Tip number one, engage your viewers. Right? First up, good content does three things: engages your viewers. You need to start with a highly interesting topic that appeals to the masses, okay, and pulls people in. And here's the kicker: you got about 3 seconds to do it to hook him right in. Okay, so use some kind of short, engaging phrase or compelling visual right in the beginning, so that one of the things that we want to do is give people some solid reasons to watch a video, right? So skip the long introductions and any fluff. They'll just swipe away, and if they're not immediately captivated. Okay. Also, make sure to match the content format to the platform. If it's vertical, like with TikTok, then stick with that. If it's horizontal, like in YouTube, go with that. Okay. Let me show you how you can create the best content. You ready for this exercise? All right. What you want to do is go ahead and create a list of top creators that you love, especially in your niche. Okay. For one, write down 3 of their best video topics, what they say at the beginning of their videos. Okay. The hook, how their videos look, the style, and the visuals. Okay. Why their videos perform well. This will give you insights into what you can improve, how you can do better on your own. Like this example, I just saw this video, so I created notes for it. Okay. Number 2, keep viewers watching, sparking curiosity. Okay. Keep your viewers by watching by tapping into their curiosity. You can do this by telling a meaningful story in a precise way. All right. Be concise and get to the point while you're delivering emotional impact. Providing a list of something valuable, like for an example, top 5 tips to boost your productivity. How about the 3 ways to create great content? Okay. Showing steps to achieve something like a tutorial or how-to guide. These formats naturally keep people engaged because they want to see the outcome or learn the points you're presenting. You're still here, right? Here's the point. Tip number 3. Deliver great, meaningful content. Third, you want to pay off your viewers with great, meaningful content. You want more views. You have to welcome as many people as possible, act as if no one knows you, and honestly, no one really cares, right? Because that's often the case with new viewers. Every video needs to be brand new story and valuable piece of content that captures as many eyes and ears as possible. Remember, you're not just creating content, you're delivering value. Okay, you want to give value. This is what you need to focus on: impacting your audience with free value in the form of good content that builds your trust, like, and relationship. Okay, so stop trying to outsmart the algorithm and start focusing on creating content that genuinely engages, intrigues, and rewards your viewer. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any tips that you might have. And hey, if you found this really helpful, make sure that you like this, follow me for more content like this, and save the video so that you can revisit these tips later and put them into action. All right? All right. Thanks for watching, and happy content creation. Be limitless. We'll see you soon.